Aloha, I'm Helen with Floating Yoga School here on Wailea Beach in beautiful Maui. This is one of my favorite places to practice, and today we're going to do a mini flow focused on your core. And I think about my core not just as the front ab muscles, rectus abdominis, that six pack, but also those deep muscles, transverse abdominis, pelvic floor, glutes, all the spinal muscles that help support us, the erector muscles to keep us upright. It all plays into the core. I've been feeling a little all over the place just with life, and so physically engaging my core and kind of coming back to who I am at the center really helps in all other areas. We're going to start today lying flat on your back when you're ready. As you arrive here on your back, you can bring your feet to the earth, knees point up to the sky, and bring your feet about hip distance apart. Palms can be flat on the ground. Let your eyes be soft or closed. And just give yourself a moment here to arrive, to relax, and to feel what's happening. I like this shape with my feet down, knees up, to really ground through my sacrum, that triangular shape but bone, at the end of your spine. I almost said button. It's like a button. We're pressing that button into the earth. And then start to lengthen and deepen your breath. You can breathe in and out through your nose, create an audible sensation with your breath. Eyes still closed or gently blink open. As you next inhale, press through your feet, engage your glutes, roll through your spine to lift your hips for like a bridge. And it doesn't have to be high. We're gonna exhale, lower, roll it back down. Release completely. So there's a little space behind my low back when I release. Inhale to engage, scoop, tuck, lift, and exhale, roll it down, finding a little articulation there. Continue to breathe and move. Starting to slowly turn everything on. Let's do one more. And then hug your knees into your chest. Draw some circles in the sky with your knees, massage around your sacrum in both directions. And place your hands behind your knees to rock up toward a seated position. Adjust as you need. We're going to find ourselves in a boat pose, feet on the ground, knees to the sky, tall spine, a slight lean back. Lift your belly button toward your spine, start to float your feet, and then bring your hands wide. As you inhale this time, we're going to lower and hover. Exhale, knees to chest to lift. And if this feels like too much, keep your hands behind your knees, or stay in a more upright boat and drop one foot and then the other. So always choose your own adventure. Let's do two more. Really stay with your breath. I like to inhale, extend, and exhale, lift. You can always do the opposite. And then find your way to hands and knees, tabletop position. Spread your fingertips wide, shoulders above your wrists, hips right above your knees. And just align here in that nice neutral spine, neutral position. Normally I like to bring knees together. We're not going to do that today. So we're going to think about extending opposite arm and leg, keeping your low back really flat. As you inhale, find that extension. As you exhale, lower down and switch sides. So as if you could place something on your low back and it wouldn't fall off. Use your core muscles to really create that stability. Front, back, sides, wrapping around. Even out your sides. And find your neutral tabletop once more. Inhale to lift your tailbone, drop your belly, heart forward, cow pose. Exhale, cat, scoop round. Press it all away. Come back toward neutral. Hands come a little bit forward. Find your way to downward facing dog. Maybe you move around here, pedal out a little bit. Bend your knees, breathe in, look forward. Step or gently hop toward your hands, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. And exhale, fold, relax your head and neck. Rise up, reach up, hands to the sky, lift your heels, come onto your tippy toes. Exhale, hands to your heart, lower your heels. We're gonna do that twice more. Inhale, reach, lift your heels. Exhale, lower heels, hands to heart. One more. You might fall out like me, it's all good, and release. This time, one-legged Tadasana, weight to your left foot, right knee lifts, arms to the sky, breathe in. Send your foot back in easy warrior 3 as you breathe out. Use your glutes to lift. Inhale to one-legged Tadasana. Exhale to warrior 3, finding that instability. I'm feeling my feet muscles too turn on. Inhale and exhale. Let's get one more inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Other side. Weight into your right foot, left knee lifts. Breathe in, hands high. Breathe out, warrior 3. And then move with your breath. Find that hinge and a lift. Both standing leg and lifted leg are working. Deep core muscles, your hip flexor to lift your knee, your back muscles to find stability. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, and exhale, hands to your heart. Set up for a chair pose, so adjust as you need. Send your hips back, hands to your heart this time, or here I should say. Start to pulse. So we'll go to another time in chair with our arms up. And find your breath. 3, 2, 1, forward fold. Lift halfway, breathe in. Exhale, hands down, right foot steps back. Get light on your fingertips, light on your back foot. Inhale, knee to chest. Exhale, send it back. So think about your core muscles drawing it in. I'm moving quickly, you can move much slower. One more. Keep your foot back, plant your right palm, left arm to the sky for a twist. Release your left hand down. We're gonna hop switch our feet nice and light, little monkey climbers, mountain climbers, flying monkeys, different names for this, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now that same little knee in position with this leg. So in, I like to exhale, draw it in, inhale, extend. Try to stay light on your back toes and find the pace and rhythm that works for you. Hold your foot back, left palm plants, right arm to the sky. Find your twist. Good morning. And gently release, hand down. Step up, left foot meets your right, forward fold. Halfway lift, breathe in. And fold, breathe it out. Inhale, rise to standing, come onto your tippy toes, hands high. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart, heels drop. Chair pose, this time arms up. Find those little pulses. And then bring your arms to shoulder height, palms face down, plug your shoulders in, and pulse your arms at the same time. For 3, 2, 1, forward fold. Halfway lift, breathe in. Left foot steps back to start this time. We're gonna combine our little flows. So inhale, rise to a crescent lunge. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Send your weight into your right foot. We're gonna inhale, one-legged Tadasana, arms high. Exhale, warrior 3, hands to your chest. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, hands come down. Take a breath in, lengthen. Exhale, left knee in. Inhale, extend it back. Again, inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior 3. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, hands come down. Take a breath in. Exhale, left knee in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, rise back up. Find your high crescent lunge, big breath in. Hands to your heart, breathe it out. One more time all the way through. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior three. Inhale, high crescent lunge. And exhale, hands come down. Take a breath in, lengthen. Exhale, left knee in. Inhale, extend long. Stay here. We're gonna flying monkey, hop switch our feet 3 times. Nice and light if you can. If this doesn't work, just adjust. And other side 3 times through. Rise up, high crescent lunge, breathe in. Hands to your heart, breathe out. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, knee high. Exhale, warrior three, send your foot back. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, hands lower. Breathe in, lengthen. Breathe out, right knee in. Inhale, extend. Exhale, rise back up. Take a breath in here. Hands to your heart, exhale. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior three. Inhale, high crescent lunge. Exhale, lower your hands down. Breathe in. Right knee in, breathe out. Inhale to extend. And rise all the way up. Full breath in. Hands to your heart, breathe out. One more time. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Exhale, warrior three. Inhale, high crescent lunge. And exhale, hands come down. Breathe in. Right knee in, breathe out. Inhale, extend. And then step it all the way up. Halfway lift, lengthen. Forward fold, release. Rise up, reach up, hands to the sky. Exhale, palms together in front of your heart. Bring your feet wide, heels and toes out. We're going to sit all the way down to your squat. Malasana. Imagine lifting your pelvic floor, engaging your glutes a little so I'm not as low. Open up through your chest. Breathe here. Full inhale. Exhale, sit down. Find your butterfly shape. Feet together, knees out wide. Lift your heart, breathe in. And fold over your legs as you breathe out. Slowly lift it back up. Draw your knees in. One more time, we're going to visit our boats. This time adding a little twist. Side to side. Try to keep your knees stable. For 3, 2, 1, even out your sides. Find a seat. Give yourself a little love and hugs. And come all the way down onto your back. Another bridge pose like we did when we started. Hands by your sides. Press down through your heels. Lift your hips. You can stay here or interlace. Take your belly a little higher with your breath. And as that's enough, release your hands, lower it down. Knees to chest or rock side to side. Notice what else your body needs. I'm going to take a figure 4. You can add a twist. Get both sides. And when you're ready, find yourself in a settled position. I'm going to stay knock-kneed, kind of how we started, with our feet on the ground, knees to the sky, but this time I'm going to bring my knees together. You might like your legs extended or even come to a seat. Short mini practice, a little chance to center, turn things on. So as we take a moment to pause, do the same thing. Center and turn things off. If you feel like you'd like more time, please take it. Otherwise, begin to awaken your body. And with your eyes closed or soft, make your way back up to a seated position. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. Thank yourself for making the time to breathe, to move, to be present. Connect to your center, who you are at your core, physically and energetically. We'll bow our heads together. Thank you so much. I hope to practice again with you soon. Please share requests and comments down below, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.